Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Introducing the ASPL Rooftop Strobe Light Bar, a state-of-the-art alert system designed to deliver exceptional performance when you need it most. Outfitted with 48 high-intensity LED chips and precision magnifying lenses, this strobe maximizes light output to ensure your vehicle stands out as a clear warning to others. Upgraded materials, enhanced waterproofing, an extended 16.4-foot heavy-duty cable, and robust 2x7 magnets with thick rubber suction cups combine for both brilliant brightness and outstanding durability. Installation is a breeze with its 12 to 24 volts plug-and-play design, allowing you to position the light anywhere on your vehicle without risk of damage. Dual switch buttons offer 16 customizable flashing patterns, complete with a convenient last-used memory function for effortless mode selection. This strobe light bar is built to perform in even the harshest conditions. Revamp your vehicle's stopping power with the Z36 front and rear brake pad and rotor kit, designed for trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s that demand durability and precision. This all-inclusive upgrade features 2 front drilled and slotted rotors, 2 rear drilled and slotted rotors, plus premium carbon fiber ceramic brake pad sets for both the front and rear, complete with all the necessary hardware for a smooth installation. Crafted to tackle the challenges of towing, hauling, steep mountain drives, and even performance-lifted trucks, every component in this kit works together to outshine standard OE brakes. Precision engineering ensures rapid heat dissipation and consistent friction, offering reliable, long-lasting performance under extreme conditions. Click the link to discover more about its innovative features and transform your braking experience. Have you thought about upgrading your ride with this 7 Sparta center console cover? The perfect combination of style, comfort, and practicality, transforming your vehicle's interior inside. Measuring 11.6 inches long and 8.2 inches wide, this cover is designed to perfectly cover your center console while protecting it from pet claws, dirt, and sticky fingers. It looks sturdy, but is actually made from high-quality PU material. This cover is built to last and enhance the look of your vehicle. Inside, a 0.7-inch soft foam pad provides comfort to your armrests, reducing stress on your elbows and preventing sweat buildup during long trips. Besides, the versatility of this cover fits a wide range of SUVs, trucks, and cars, as long as your center console meets the specified dimensions. Installation is easy, with dual flexible elastic straps that secure the pad in place without any tools. Besides, the product will be refunded if you are not satisfied with it. So what are you waiting for? Get it for your car now. Come and meet the Zyndel Windshield Cleaner. This is known as a new gadget that makes cleaning your car and glass easier than ever. With its design skills, its extendable handle and rotating head allow you to easily reach every corner, so you always get a clear, streak-free finish. Besides, the 180-degree rotating head of the tool ensures full contact with the glass, meaning those hard-to-reach, hard-to-clean spots on both the inside and outside of your windshield are no longer a challenge. But this tool is not just for cars, it is also a versatile assistant for any glass surface, whether at home or on the go. Built with durability in mind, the Zyndel comes with 3 reusable microfiber cloths that quickly remove dirt with just one sweep. Its lightweight design and soft, comfortable grip allow you to clean for longer without exerting too much effort. For best results, use a dry or slightly damp cloth to clean the inside, and for more stubborn stains on the outside, a little glass cleaner will do the trick, and no harsh chemicals are needed. With modern technology comes more advanced services. Look no further than the V0111 OBD2 scanner, a compact yet powerful tool that gives you a complete snapshot of your car's health. Designed for both beginners and seasoned car enthusiasts, this diagnostic device lets you monitor performance in real time and spot problems before they become costly. Its intuitive app decodes check engine warnings and displays important data such as engine coolant temperature, speed, and control module voltage in clear, easy-to-read graphs, even suggesting fixes to help you avoid unnecessary trips to the shop. With over 96% compatible vehicle makes from Toyota and Honda, Ford and Lexus, and support for multiple languages, the VO11 stands out for its versatility and reliability. Its upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 system ensures seamless connectivity. Simply scan the QR code to download the dedicated app for both Android and Apple devices, follow the simple setup process, and get support throughout the process. Keep you satisfied. Introducing the SailNovo Roof Rack, a smart, versatile storage solution for your vehicle. Measuring 41-inch long, 35-inch wide by 17-inch high with a capacity of 15 cubic feet, it easily holds 3 to 5 suitcases, tents, sleeping bags, and more. Made from 100% durable soft shell material, it folds neatly into a cargo bag when not in use. Stability is key, so SailNovo features 4 reinforced straps, 4 additional door hooks, and 2 long luggage straps to keep your cargo secure. With 3 layers of 1000D Oxford fabric that is twice as waterproof as standard 500D fabric, double-stitched seams, and a wide zippered flap for added durability. 6 heavy-duty tie-down straps and 4 safety hooks make it easy to attach to most roofs, whether you have crossbars, side rails, baskets, or a convertible. Enjoy all the benefits of a quality roof box at a fraction of the cost. For efficiency, for optimum performance, fill the bag to the brim to keep out water, and always ensure a secure zipper with a waterproof flap and Velcro closure. Take your driving experience to the next level with a state-of-the-art double-DIN stereo system, seamlessly integrated with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Simply connect your smartphone to unlock apps, maps, calls, music, and more directly from the crisp touchscreen, all enhanced with voice control for truly hands-free driving. For added safety, the system also features an HD rear-view camera that automatically displays a clear rear view when reversing, thanks to a simple connection to the vehicle's reverse lights. The vibrant 7-inch IPS display has a resolution of 1024 by 600 with 1080p clarity, ensuring accurate real-time GPS navigation and zoomed-in map details. Plus, with mirror-link support for most Apple and Android devices, you can easily stream movies, YouTube videos, and more. Plus, installation is easy with a plug-and-play connection via cigarette lighter and a self-adhesive mount that securely attaches to any smooth surface. Upgrade your ride without changing your car's original dashboard. Speed up your towing setup with this sleek, high-performance hitch light designed for a wide range of trucks, SUVs, and trailers. Designed to fit any standard 2-inch hitch receiver with a 4-way flat trailer connector, the light comes with a square bracket for your taillights, brake lights. Set up by a secure lock and foam lining to ensure a snug fit, the 3.25 by 3.25 by 6.0 inch size is specifically designed for any Type 3/4/5 hitch opening. The light features a stylish, dark-tinted lens housed in a durable ABS plastic body. Powered by 15 ultra-bright red LED diodes behind a precision projector, the light provides both tail, running, and brake stop lighting functions, plus an F1-style flasher for added visibility and safety. To install, simply align the adapter starting from the pin marked with the red arrow and insert at an angle. If necessary, gently bend the pins to make a smooth connection. Vehicles with 7-prong round connectors can choose the B07L CVG53D adapter for a perfect fit. Experience effortless convenience with this innovative car iPad holder that redefines in-car entertainment. Simply adjust the telescopic legs on the rear seat headrest mount, and you're ready to go in less than 2 seconds with just one hand. Designed for versatility, the holder features an extendable handle with full 360-degree rotation and can extend up to 10.6 inches for optimal viewing angles. When not in use, the holder folds neatly into the seat, saving space in your car. The holder is compatible with most electronic devices measuring 4.7 to 12.9 inches diagonally, making it perfect for a wide range of tablets. A 360-degree rotating ball allows you to easily switch between portrait and landscape modes to find the ideal angle, while soft silicone pads on the clamp protect your device from scratches and slippage. Upgrade your ride with the Tri-Own car headrest mount and enjoy movies, ebooks, games and music hands-free on every ride. Get ready to refresh your car's interior with the Coverado seat covers, crafted from premium perforated Napa leather and durable faux leather, all padded with high-resilience foam for an ultra-comfortable drive. The elegant beige finish is abrasion-resistant, smooth, breathable, and soft to the touch, ensuring every ride is luxurious. Coupled with a modern, streamlined design, these covers easily complement most car interiors, making them the perfect upgrade for any vehicle. Each set features adjustable headrest covers that allow you to fine-tune your comfort and safety. Easy to install thanks to the integrated hooks and clips that secure the covers. The 3D pattern design fits most cars, SUVs, and pickups, while retaining essential functions like airbags, seatbelts, and even massage features. Each package will include 2 front seat covers and installation instructions, and if any parts are missing or damaged, our customer support is always ready to help. Do you often experience battery problems while on the road? Then discover the ultimate charger that not only diagnoses problems with flooded or sealed maintenance-free batteries, but also restores them with its innovative pulse repair function. Perfect for a wide range of devices, from cars, motorcycles and boats, to RVs, garden tools, and even children's toys. This charger supports both lithium and lead-acid batteries. Designed for 12 volts and 24 volt systems with a 100 to 240 volts AC input, this charger quickly charges batteries up to 10 Ah for 12 volts and 7.5 Ah for 24 volts, automatically adjusting the current to handle difficult voltage conditions. In auto mode, the charger will power down when the battery is fully charged for safety, while manual mode allows for continuous charging when needed. The display clearly displays current and voltage for easy monitoring. Enhanced durability and ease of use for all customers. This smart charger is an indispensable tool for maintaining optimal battery performance. Experience unprecedented charging efficiency and safety.